Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the apps you want to run side by side. First, open the primary app you'll use and then open Recent Apps. This places it in memory and makes pairing faster. Next, tap the app icon in Recent and choose Open in split screen. This starts multi-window immediately. Once done, select the second app from the Recent list or app drawer. Make sure to use apps that support split view for a smooth layout and responsive multitasking. Now you'll configure how the two apps behave together. Drag the center divider to resize panes. You can make one app dominant or long press the handle to quickly set an even split. If you want permanent convenience, create an app pair by opening the Edge panel and saving the current combo. That lets you launch both apps in multi-window with one tap. Make sure to test swapping apps inside each pane so you learn the fastest gestures for your workflow. To finish, close split view by dragging the divider all the way to one edge or by pressing home. This returns you to single task mode. If an app refuses to open in split screen, update the app or use pop-up view instead. It offers similar multitasking. If split view behaves oddly, restart your device and confirm multi-window is enabled in advanced features. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache for misbehaving apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.